Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. So today we will presenting about our final project. It is a library management system from Group 6. My name is Dwi Revalina Andini.
My name is Naila Salma.
And my name is Abdurrahman Ghazali Nalwi.
Next, so introduction. The Library of Athens is set to become a modern hub for knowledge and learning. Located right in the city center to support its operation, the proposed library management system will be a web-based platform designed to improve user experience and manage library resources effectively. The LMS will include features such as a user registration, profile management, notification for due dates, inventory management, a powerful search function, and book reservation. Additionally, it will provide administrative tools for staff management and detailed reporting. The system will have a responsive front, a robust backend, and secure database with a data encryption and regular backup. It will be deployed on reliable cloud platforms, ensuring scalability and regular maintenance. This setup will streamline library operation, providing an efficient and user-friendly experience for all users. So next is problem domain. The first is a user can borrow multiple books. Each user can borrow multiple books at once. The user will have a user ID, name, phone, email to make payment based on the total order amount. The second is a checkout is associated with a user with a checkout process is associated with one user and one book. Each product will have a product ID, product name, product description, product category, and product price. The third is a return is associated with a one checkout. Each return is associated with one checkout process. Some products may be part of an order. The fourth is inventory is updated based on checkout and returns. Inventory is updated based on the checkout and return process. Each order will have an order ID, order date, order quantity, and order status. Next is library rules. The first is a user borrow multiple books. The second is a checkout is associated with one user and one book. The third is a return associated with one checkout. And the last is inventory is updated based on checkout and returns. So next is entities and relationship. So there are four entities. So the first is user books relationship is borrow. The second is checkout user books is associate. And the third is return checkout is associate. And the last is inventory checkout return is updated. Next is attributes. So user have several attributes is u underscore ID, u underscore email, u underscore phone number, u underscore name. And the second is books, b underscore ID, b underscore author, b underscore quantity, b underscore publisher, b underscore title. And the third is checkout. The attribute is c underscore ID, c underscore date. And the fourth is return, r underscore ID, r underscore date. And the last is inventory with attributes I underscore ID, I underscore quantity. So next is constraint. So the relationship borrow is one to many, cardinality one to many, with participants is partial, and the second is associate is one to many, with participation partial, total, partial, and the third is associate return checkout is one to one, with participant is partial to total, and the fourth is updated is inventory checkout return is one to many, Yes, total, partial, partial. Next, so here is the ERD, and this is the relation table.
Okay, next, this is the DDL and data type and constraint. In data type, there is UID. It's integer. Integer is for the number, and there is username. Username with varchar. Varchar is for character, and there is user email and user phone number. And for the DDL, we comment create table for make the table. Okay, next. This is the DDL and data type and constraint for books. It's a little bit it's a little bit same with before. Next. This is for the DDL and data type and constraint for returns. Next. This is the DDL and data type and constraint for checkout. Next. This is the DDL and data type and constraint for the inventory. Next. And the last is data type and constraint, and also DDL for the update inventory. Okay, next. Oh, this is the last is associated. This is the data type and constraint, and also the DDL.
And this is the DML for the user. And for the DML, we use the command insert to insert the data. And like the example is in the presentation, like John Doe for the username john.doe.at example.com for the email, and the number is 1234 until 0 for the phone number. Next. And this is the DML for books. Basically, it's the same like the last one from the user. Next. And this is the DML for return. The same like the last one. Next. And this is the DML for checkout. Again, same the last one. Next. And this is the DML for the inventory. Next. This is for DML for update inventory. Next. This is the last one for DML for DML associated. Next.
Okay, so that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for the attention, sir.